Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third game of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League, sponsored by the so-called Ballers. This is the matchup between Patrick and Gardena Monito Lodge. Good morning, I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Man, Magic Man. You know who I am. Our officials for today is referee Marcus Reed and Janet Tias, together with our statistician Jessel Navata and Harlan Ruiz. As we start the opening tip-off, Patrick playing with Bacani brothers, Glenn and Jeron Bacani, together with Bote, Balion, and Malones as first basket from Pakrim, drawing first blood. For Gardena Monito Lodge, we have Solde, Paisan, Lagrolo, Romero, and Cabanatan. Pakrim will be playing back-to-back games here in this beautiful Sunday morning here, first of the month for March, here in Carson City. Balion, this is his first game in this tournament. Looking at a zone defense. Air ball for Malones, Ryan Malones, 3-on-2 situation. Lagrolo waiting for his teammates. Paisan. No opening for him. Corner, lets it fly. Too strong. Glenn Bacani with the cut from Kenneth Bote. Bacani looking for his options against Romero. Balion. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Bacani takes it closer, uses the glass. Cabanatan, Solde. Will he go all the way? And Solde ties the ball game up at 2. Pakrim, they're undermanned today. As Reyes is not playing for them. Bote slicing the defense and puts Romero down. Baseline throw. Bacani. Bote against 3 defenders, drops it up to Glenn Bacani and comes up short. GML, a chance for them to take the lead. Gardena Monito looking for their first win in this tournament, while Pakrim coming off from a victory against Solomon Staircase. Hits the corner 3 for Del Solde as he knocks it down, corner pocket. Well, that was a good ball movement, able to explode, attacking the rim. Lagrolo decides to pull back. Lagrolo takes it, in and out. Pakrim can't find the rhythm as of the moment. Balion, defense tightly guarding on him. From way downtown, Jeron Bacani rattles out. Good look though for Jeron Bacani. Solde finds Romero, and Romero will be called for the traveling violation. Slow-paced ball game so far. Well, probably for Pakrim, they're reserving their energy as they'll be playing back-to-back here. Bacani throws it. Gardena Monito Lodge secures the board. Counter-attack. Solde again, same spot. And Del Solde, 8 points, all coming from Del Solde again. No? It's a deja vu of...
Kalista ako. Ano to? 9 number to?
21.
21, okay.
No call, last name.
And Solde, this time he checked for him. And Paisan will earn a trip to the charity stripe. Our score is 8-2 in favor of Gardena Manila Lodge. A chance for them to increase the lead. Wait for the referee's cue. Substitution on the second shot, I believe. Paisan. And he misses the free substitution. Halang in the ball game. Edsel Fronda is in the ball game for Pakrim. Well, that's additional firepower for Pakrim, as they added another shooter from long distance, as Gardena Manila Lodge on top by 8. Kuyang Takashi Ariel is in the ballgame. Crossover, tries to speed up the tempo. Jeron Bacani against 5 defenders. Jeron Bacani challenging everyone there. And Parungaw re-energizes his team as he enters this ballgame. Glenn Bacani, if he had made those reverse layup, it could have been in the highlight reel. Bacani makes his first basket, and that was a wake-up call as they called their first timeout. Bacani, 9-4 is our score. Gardena Monita taking care of a 5-point lead. Cabanatan season opening but blocked by Glenn Bacani. And another opportunity for Gardena Manila Lodge. Baseline throw. Gardena Manila Lodge will call their first timeout. They're up by 5, 9-4. We'll be right back after this timeout.
At least nakakatakbo. Sayang, akala ko first half pa lang eh. Di ba? Kasing score eh.
Magandang laro versus EJ. Dadali.
Oh, isang shooter pa di ba? Bakit?
Back to the action. If you've just tuned in, Gardena Manila Lodge up by 5 behind the steady performance of Del Solde. Continues the pounding as he's taking over this game. Del Solde leading his team 12-4. Ariel Parungaw against the bigger defender. Cabanatan almost complete the steal. Coach Bangan.
Lawrence. No, sorry.
Lawrence, anong last name?
Chan.
Lawrence Chan.
Sorry, I didn't know.
And a rare miss from Del Solde, and he is the leading scorer. High-low play, and Jeron Bacani. Eye-in-the-sky play from Ariel Parungaw, cutting the lead to 6-12 to 6 corner. Bacani cleans up the glass. Ariel Parungaw speeds up Another alley play, but Romero stopping that one. Romero, 3-on-2 situation. And he misses on the point blank for Palang. Substitution. Aligna in the ballgame for Kabanatan. A well-deserved rest for their starters with 11 minutes in the first half. This is the third game of our 5-game first of the month trip here. Fronda, offline. Gardina Manita Lodge on the prowl. Finds Palang. Palang with the assist from Del Solde. Slicing is Palang, enjoying that shot. Parungaw, top of the key. Unable to get the shooter's bounce with the jump hook from Fronda. Solde one-on-one against Malones. Pulls the trigger. And Del Solde playing out of body experience here for Del Solde. But Jeron Bacani, easy basket, uses the glass. But trust me, that's a difficult shot, no? Especially in transition. Jeron Bacani just playing amazing here. Traveling violation, substitution. Canyoza in the ballgame. New haircut for Canyoza. Huh? New haircut. Oh, maybe that will bring them some good luck here. Let's see. 10 minutes, 17-8. Gardina Moneda Lodge with the momentum. Fronda unable to catch it. Bote. Baseline throw. Ooh, turnover for Parungaw. Canyoza penetrating the lane. And he will get a free throw. Canyoza fresh from the bench. 17-8 is our score with 9 minutes and 50. Bro, baka nagpahal ka po ka.
Yeah, wala. Okay.
Canyoza misses his first free throw. Comes up short for Canyoza. (17-8) is our score. Dokusin checks in the ball game to sixth man, providing some quality minutes. But Gardina Manita Lodge taking over this ball game as they're roaring. And another Del Sol, the corner three. This man is playing possessed as of the moment, as he is just snatching their hearts. Here, Parungaw, Dokusin, high-low. But Jeron Bacani keeping them at bay, trying to answer back for Pakrim. With 8 minutes and 15. This is still anybody's ballgame. 10-point game separating both teams. Romero. Turnover. Here comes Ariel Parungaw. Parungaw goes all the way and he will deliver the goods. Ariel Parungaw makes it a single-digit ballgame, 12-20. Slowly but surely, Pakrim starting to climb back here. Let's see if they will complete the run. Romero finds Florence Chan underneath the basket and he scoops it 22-12. Back in the driver's seat with a 10-point lead. Dokusin sizing the defense. And miscommunication between Dokusin and Bacani. Solde torching hot and burying everything that he throws so far here. Canyoza at the post. The pass was too strong. Bacani Run and gun offense. Finds the Kusin. Almost losing the handle. Decides to pull back. The Kusin. Reset. Parungao against Solde. At the middle, Romero picks him up. High post. Decides to take matters into his own hands. Still can't buy a basket for Ariel Parungao. 6 minutes and 30 remaining.
Ito, dalawa na oh.
Canyosa.
Lapit mo, Mark!
Cross court. And Jaron Bacani anticipates the pass. And he will go for that layup as he finishes them off, making it a 22-14 lead. Uses the half-court set. Romero hoists it up. And Lawrence Chan with the hustle. And it will remain with
Timeout.
Pakrin. Timeout will be called by Pakrin. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Sila ba nga? Sila?
Oh, sila. 8 points. 8 points for the point.
Ang kwentuhan doon, talo na daw sila eh. Hindi sabay naman ko.
Sila eh. Malakas kasi ito. Malakas itong Pakrin. Parang wala lang sila sarili. Pero malakas din naman sila.
Bago pa magsimula, ang kwentuhan, talo kami rin. Hindi pa nagsisimula, talo na kayo. Ngayon, talo naman ko.
Malakas sila. 8 points. Back to the action if you have just tuned in. Gardena Manila Lodge up by 8, 22-14. In the ball game is Bagao for Pakrim. Ariel Parungao charges and pushes the tempo as Jerome Bacani again leading his team to the glory road, cutting the lead down 16-22, stolen away. Ariel Parungao crossover, escapes the clutches of the defense. Pulsa Haldini for Ariel Parungao, and like a blur, cutting the lead down to 4, 18-22. Drop pass, Solde, corner, hits nothing. Parungao, home run for Ariel Parungao, cutting the lead down to 2, 22-20. The lead was easily erased there by Parungao and Bacani. Timeout for Gardena Manila Lodge. Eric struggle po. Meron pa ba ano? Back to the action. If you've just tuned in, Pakrin making a run, cutting the lead down to 2 as Gardena Manila Lodge was up as much as 10 points, but now we're just looking at a 2-point lead with 4 minutes and 45 in the first half. Canyosa against Parungao, one-on-one, sizing his defender. But another turnover. Glenn Bacani, 3-on-1 situation, finds Ralph Bacusin, unable to get the shooter's bounce. And the crowd loving that run ties the ball game up at 22. And what will Gardena Monida Lodge do here? Pump fake. The double team comes. The Christian. Parunao against two defenders. Throws it and hits all board. Kabanatan. Romero. Bagaw. Able to save it. Kabanatan again. And topsy-turvy of events there as Bacani again. No fear on that layup for Jeron Bacani. Now they're up by 2, 24-22. The defense tightening up here for Pakrim. They go baseline. Romero gets the roll for Canyosa. We are tied at 24 as they ended the drought. That was a 10-2 run here by Pakrim. Corner, thought about it. They swing that ball around. Back to the Kuzin. It bounces off. Bacani taps it. And it will stay with Pakrim. And the crowd on their feet. Don't forget to subscribe, SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube. Meron na tayo 100 subscribers, no? From 20. So that's a good improvement. Hand off. Oh, body to body out. Experience there. As you can feel the intensity from here between Bagaw and Paisan. That is what we call physicality, no? Bumping and grinding. Parungaw, the Pakrim, able to force that turnover, drop pass. Bacani again! And Jeron Bacani, no fear, no hesitation with that reverse. Amazing move. And of course, good recognition from Ariel Parungaw, no? Finding the open guy with his peripheral vision. 26-24, a chance to extend the lead to 3 for Jeron Bacani. Our next game is Palakas Shooting Club versus against Pakrim. They tap that ball around. Canyosa. Between the legs, almost losing it. The Kuzin trying to hound him down. It bounces off. Bagaw controls the tempo with 1 minute and 30. Jordan 13, French Blue from Eric Bagaw. No? Speeds it up. Bagaw able to mount his foot there. Step back. Glenn Bacani with the step back from Glenn Bacani. That was just dazzling and a fantastic move from Glenn Bacani. With 1 minute and 1 remaining, they throw that baseball pass. Time will continue running as this is a running time game. With 50 seconds left, Pakrim up by 4, 28-24. Behind the steady leadership of Ariel Parungaw and the scoring domination of the Bacani brothers, Glenn and Jeron. They will slow the tempo with 30 seconds left. Coming from behind, Parungaw shifting gears, and Kabanatan will be. Oh, it's gonna be an offensive foul from Ariel Parungaw. Oh, for Eric Bagaw. Sorry. 13 seconds left. Last shot. They're looking for it, and we gotta handle that ball for Glenn Bacani. 3 seconds left. They gotta rush that shot. And Gardena Monida Lodge unable to make that basket as Pakrim coming from behind, and they have the lead 28-24. We'll be right back after the first half.
Check ko lang coach. Check ko lang coach.
Nakipalikan ko sa Glendale, oh. Okay lang.
Oo.
Basketball league. Kahit sa bahay namin sa Pangasinan.
Glendale sa Glendale. Marami. Ano yan? Mga ano? Mga bata?
Parang
o?
ganito rin.
Parang ganito rin.
Labo-labo ng bata pa, pero yung hindi may skill.
Oo. Maganda buuin yung ano sana. Yung youth na ano, yung Filipino community. Youth.
Meron, dati kami meron.
Oo. Kasi nandito yung ano eh, kasama ko ng ano eh, ng nasa Santa Clarita sila eh.
Tayo.
Wala yung announcer. Wala yung announcer.
Noong 2012.
Dagdagan.
Back to the ball game. This is the second half action between Gardena Manila Lodge and Packrim. Packrim taking care of a 4-point lead coming from behind as they're up 28 to 24. Gardena Manila Lodge. What kind of adjustments are they gonna do here? Well, they gotta stop Ariel Parungo from setting that half court. No? He has been the main difference so far for the guys in black and yellow. For Gardena Manila Lodge, they gotta help and provide support for Del Solve, who has gone ice cold in the latter half of the first half. So they gotta help his scoring duties here. Bagaw on the line, shooting 2. Well, yeah, for Gardena Manila Lodge, they just relied heavily on Del Solve. So they need to help him out. The supporting cast, especially for Romero and Canuza, you gotta provide that scoring punches as well. Gardena Manila Lodge starting with Canuza, Paisan, Halan, Solve. While for Packrin, you have Bagay, Bacani clogging the lane. No basket. As it will go to the other side. For Packrin, you have Parungaw, Bacani, Ralph Tokusin, Ryan Malones, and Eric Bagay. And it will remain with Gardena Manila. Paisan, left wide open. Decides to take it closer, but Bacani challenging him. Ryan Malones on the run. Transition. And down on the floor is Kabanatan. As he stood perfectly there with the timing and a chance for the guys in green to somehow trim the lead. Canuza showing us his handles. Ooh, stolen away by Barungaw, and Barungaw will capitalize as he took that away. Take like a, just taking that liberty away from Canuza with that steal. No? 17 minutes, Paisan. Ace point guard Ariel Parungaw showing us why they're one of the top 4 teams here in this tournament. The only loss for Packrim was coming from DPWH, and that loss was from a buzzer beater, no? Of Derek Valdez. So that is a manifestation that indeed this team is a heavyweight. Del Solde with the hand on his face, and Del Solde with the carnage from long distance. Well, that's the best you can do for Glenn Bacani. We'll try to answer back. Too strong gets his own miss. Glenn Bacani on the attack. Gets the shooter's bounce for Glenn Bacani. Well, you gotta appreciate the resiliency of Glenn Bacani, not giving up on the play. Substitution, Romero and Jeron in the ball game for Paisan. And to add steady presence on the defensive end, you have Chan, Lawrence Chan. Palang will rest on.
Last name, sir? Sipagan? Sipagan? Last sir, last name po? Sipagan? Kasi you need to...
Ewan ka man.
47 Sipagan. Sipagan or Sipagan? Sipagan. Hindi.
Shoutout kay Pangan.
Shout out to Coach Pangan, the coach of Gardena Bonita Large. When will we see you, Coach Pangan, playing in the floor? Glenn Bacani makes and completes the three-point play. Well, they gotta put some clamps on the Bacani brothers and Ariel Tarungaw. No? Drop pass. And Lawrence Chan flexing his muscles in the paint as he's just forcing the issue with his brute strength.
Traveling.
Our score, Patrim 35, Gardena Manila Large 28. Just a 6-point lead separating both teams. Baseline, Ryan Malones underneath the basket. Del Solde being hounded here. Pressure defense. Sipangan fresh off the bench. Ryan Malones will be called with the lifting violation. As a chance to close the gap here for GML. Behind the energy of Lawrence Chan, let's see if he can inspire his teammates here. Calioza uses the screen, uses the handle. Glenn, 3-on-1 situation, and look at the ball movement. Glenn Bacani with the tip in. What a play. That was just a magnificent move from those three guys sharing that rock. And that's what basketball is all about, no? Team play, sharing the ball. Putting the- Substitution, ref? Substitution? Fronda in the ballgame for Ryan Malones. And Lagrolo as well will check in. Well, again, no, for that play between Parungaw, Glenn, and Jeron Bacani, taking everyone to school, showing us some pointers on how basketball is supposed to be played. Sipangan hits. Sipagan, the hardest worker in the team for Gardena Manila Large, draining the three-point basket, hits all board. Re-energizing with a three-point shot, cutting the lead down to 5. 32-37, Sipagan. Romero thought about it, takes it closer, finds Lagrolo to Chan, and Chan with a jump hook for Lawrence Chan, cutting the lead down to 3, 37-34. With 11 minutes, Pakrim. Are they in trouble? Quick crossover. Sipagan doing a great job against Parungaw. Double dribble. And the pressure creeping in as Sipagan. Magandang hugot sa bench, no? Kasi Sipagan. Napakasipag talaga. 34-37. Romero. Let's see if they can cut the lead down to 1 or tie the ball game up. Hits all board for Sipagan. Pushes the tempo, goes hard to the basket for Jeron Bacani. Well, whenever Pakrim is in trouble, Jeron Bacani is just there to save the day. 34-39, extending that lead to 5. And look at Ralph Dupusin, no? Really handing Del Solde. And he's not a factor here in the second half as Romero with that boarding bank shot, cutting the lead to 36 to 39. Parungaw at the middle facilitates Fronda, and Fronda will get a foul against down low. Foul down low. Substitution with 11 minutes or 10 minutes left. Shoulder stops and pops. Back rim. They get the offensive board. Fades away for Lagrolo. They will slow the tempo down for Pat Rim. They will be playing back-to-back in today's matchup, so let's see if their energy is still there. Glenn Bacani in and out. Parungaw managing the play. Finds Dukusin. Challenges 3 defenders. No basket as the foul is downstairs, and it will be baseline throw-in. No basket. With 9 minutes left here in the second half. Game within reach. Jerome Bacani unable to buy a basket. Sipagan. Solde. Give and go. Chen coming from behind for that offensive board. Sipagan finding the cutter. Romero in the crowd loving the play. And it is just down to a 1-point lead, 39 to 38. Good teamwork from GML there. As movement without the ball was prevalent in that occasion with 8 minutes and 25. And the push from Dukusin as they're feeling the pressure now. Gardena Monida Lodge. And Pac Rim, they cannot call a timeout because it's the possession of Gardena Monita. Sipagan from behind. Jaron Bacani. Jaron Bacani. He goes berserk. Finds Ariel Parungaw to Jaron Bacani. Another alley-oop play. Well, that was just beautiful, no? Textbook execution. Lagrolo. Romero unable to catch it. And Pakrim will call a timeout here with 7 minutes and 41. We'll be right back. Gardena Monida Lodge calls a timeout.
Last time out, no more time out.
Double time out.
0. And then,
Double time out? Double time?
Reds! Richard!
Hindi, nag-time out din to eh.
kaya nga.
Pero dito niya binigay eh. Ako na to eh. Hindi, dito niya narinig niya.
Hindi, ito unang nag-call ng time out kasi.
Hindi, nandito sila kasi kanina eh.
Back to the action. We are jam-packed here in Carson City for this beautiful Sunday morning here in your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. You are looking at a 3-point game being enjoyed by Pakrim behind Ariel Parungaw and Jerome Bacani. Gardena Monita Lodge possession because they called the timeout. They called the timeout.
Sila nag-time out.
Gardena Monita
Sila
Lodge.
nag-time out.
Gardena Monita Lodge because they're the one who calls the timeout. Huh? Sipagan at the middle finds the runner from Chan. Comes up short. 2-on-1 situation. Jeron Bacani with a deep shooting. And Jeron Bacani will have to earn it on the line. And this is the best time for us to promote our YouTube page. Now don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page if you want to watch the replay of this game. So-called Ballers 21. We have 100 subscribers already now. But from last year, 20 subscribers lang. So malaking improvement na yun as Jaron Bacani extends the lead to 4, 42 to 38. Lagrolo will survey the floor. Lagrolo at the middle finds Chan, high off the glass. And they will try to slow things down here in 6 minutes. Parungaw, they will use the clock. They're up by 4, 38 to 42. Parungaw against Romero, interesting matchup there. And from the right side, Jaron Bacani, unstoppable here so far in the second half. Corner 3, no go. Gets his own miss. Thought about it. Solde, Romero, one-on-one. Single coverage. Finds no opening. And here comes the counter attack. Parungaw, drop pass. Diffusing. It bounces off. Gets his own miss. Reset. They go to the other side. Throws a wild shot. Again, back rim with the offensive rebounding. Bacani down on the floor. And he will go to the line for the charities. Canyoza in the ballgame. Sipagan. 44 to 38. Lagrolo, okay. Nocom in the ballgame. After the second shot, I believe.
After the first one.
After the first shot, not after the first shot. Bacani. Misses the first basket. Now you can sub. Nocon in the ballgame. (44 to 38) with 4 minutes and 50. Bacani on the line. Misses his first and misses both. Canyoza. Unable to see Shadow there. Sidestep. And another free throw opportunity for... 2 minutes. 2 minutes ang stop. And on the free throw line, Pat Rim in control with a 6-point lead. Misses the first basket. Misses both, keeping the gate open here for Gardena Monida. Canyoza will book it. Punches it in for Canyoza. And another steal, a chance for GML to cut the lead down to 2. Parungaw leading the charge. Finds Glenn Bacani, and Glenn Bacani shuts down the door, 46 to 40. 6-point game, Canyoza. Still anybody's ball game. With the runner, Bacani secures the board. 3 minutes remaining, 45 to 40. Well, they gotta make some stops here for Gardena Manila Lodge. Have some sense of urgency, because if Patrim makes another basket, it's gonna be trouble for them. Parungaw. No look pass. Jaron Bacani. Too strong, but Glenn is there to pick up the trash. Dukusin again. Kicks it out. Jaron, pump fake. Parungaw lets it fly, but high-low play. Ariel Parungaw. Now they're looking at an 8-point lead, 48 to 40. With 2 minutes and 20 remaining. Romero, Canyoza. Well, they were able to close it to 4, no? But Jaron Bacani is there to keep on the scoring range. Comes up short for Del Solde. who has been ice cold in the second half. Well, he was effective, efficient in the first half, but this time, Del Solde is not a factor in the second half. Romero and Sipagan was the ones keeping them at bay for Gardena Manita. Labrona. Last 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, with 48-40 Pac Rim. We'll call their last timeout for Pac Rim. We'll be right back with 1 minute and 58.
Ako, putik.
Talaga Manila. Kung hindi na dahil si Mercy BJ, parang sila doon.
Kasi,
Oh, patay oras ha, patay oras. Patay oras ha. Wala akong bola. Atin natin. Hey, atin nga.
Back to the action. If you're just tuning in, Gardena Manila Lodge down by 8 against Pac Rim, 48-40. And finishing touches. Let's see for Pac Rim if they can put on the nail in the coffin. Ooh, dancing around his opponent, Ariel Parunao, but Kenneth Bote unable to catch that ladder. 1 minute and 40. Well, if they do things right, Gardena Manila Lodge still has a chance here. Nagrolo pulls the trigger. Air ball. Well, he got a good look, but unfortunately unable to make it. With 1 minute and 30. Parunao against Palang, a bigger defender. Let's see. Oh, able to get the first quick step. Lagrolo not giving up on that one. I can hear the knees on the floor for Canyosa.
40.
1 minute and 10 remaining. Baseline, Canyosa finds an open Palang, point blank miss. Time is now on the side of Gardena Manila, and if Pac Rim makes the basket, then we can safely say that they have this in the bag. 48-40. 53 seconds left. Parunao using the clock. Finds Malones. Malones bumping and grinding. And Malones, despite the physicality, manages to make the basket 50-40. And it's safe to say that Pac Rim, another victory for them. 3 straight wins for Pac Rim. 30 seconds. Finishing touches. Another attempt. Ryan Malones at the middle, directing traffic. 20 seconds. And Ryan Malones with the dagger. 53-40. Breaking away. Pac Rim securing the victory. As Gardena Manila Lodge still continues to look for their first win. Pac Rim, third straight victory led by Parunao and Bacani. We'll be right back for the fourth game. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man, Interlodge Mason, together with Harlem Ruiz, Jessel Navalta, our referees, Marcus Reed, and Janet Pius. We'll be right back.